Nature abounds in the wilds of Hampton Lake in Bluffton, South Carolina. But there are few visions more wild than this. The white golden retriever, basking in the sun and enjoying its most recent kill. But wait, there's a bandit on the loose, the wild French bulldog. And he's looking to poach that golden's kill. He's a clever and cunning thief, and with cat-like speed, he attacks. The white golden gives chase, but is just no match for the quicker, more agile thief. And the golden is left just helplessly watch as the smaller thief enjoys the fruits of her labor. But maybe she won't give up just so quickly. In his haste, the French bulldog drops his prey, giving the white golden the opportunity she needs. A tug of war, a test of will. These challenges have been known to last for days, but never end in a stalemate. Her larger size provides her the advantage she needs to win, and the tenacious French bulldog is left to just watch as the natural order has been restored. And then it's bath time.